Hi everyone, it's now week 3 of HBL and I hope that you're having another very productive week of working from home. Okay, so I think at this point most of you are familiar with Google Classroom and some of you have been using it for assigning students work, collecting students work and providing them with feedback using this application. However, some of you might not realize that Google Classroom has other functions with regards to teaching and learning beyond assigning, collecting students' work and giving them feedback. And one of this is that it can be used to facilitate collaborative learning very efficiently. Okay, so if you're interested in learning how to use Google Classroom to facilitate collaborative learning, then please watch the rest of this video. Okay, let's go. First method I'm going to show you of using Google Classroom to do collaborative work is what I used to do. Okay, so what I used to do was to get students to work on, okay, I used to make them work on the same document. Okay, so in this case, what we were doing is we were examining the reasons for the rise of Stalin. So I divided up the class into groups, and then each group worked on a specific reason for the rise of Stalin. So everybody worked on the same set of Google Slides, and each group took a few slides that they were in charge of, and then eventually they did a class presentation. Okay, so that is one method of doing collaborative learning. Okay, so what happens if you want your students to work in groups on the same assignment? So you want each group to have a copy of their own assignment. Okay, does that mean that you will have to post the assignment to your class multiple times? Okay, there is actually a very efficient way of doing this, which I'm going to teach you right now. Okay, so what you're going to do is to go to classwork, and then you will click on create, and then you're going to click on assignment. Okay, so let's imagine that this assignment is about the Treaty of Versailles, and this is group 1. Okay, so what you would do is to then add the worksheet that you want the students to be working on. So in this case, it would be this template, and then you want to set it to make students can edit file, because you want everybody in that group to edit the same file. Okay, so that would be different from if everybody was doing individual work, in which case you would make a copy from each student. So then you would click on students can edit file. Okay, and then you are going to, instead of clicking assign, you're going to save draft. Okay, so then you will go ahead and create the same assignment for the next group. So you're going to click on create, and then instead of clicking assignment again, you're going to click on reuse post. Okay, so you will select this one again, group 1, the draft, and then make sure that it says create new copies of the assignments. Okay, so again, you have a new copy here. There is no need to make multiple copies in your drive, and then this time you're going to name it group 2, and then you are going to assign the group members whom you want to work on this assignment as group 2. Okay, so this time you can click on assign. Okay, and then I'm going to demonstrate it to you once again. Okay, sorry. Okay, you're going to click on create, reuse post. Okay, group 1, reused. Okay, create new copies of all attachments. Okay, so there is no need for you to keep repeating the instruction and to keep on attaching a new file. Okay, and so this time is group 3, and then you will select the students that you want to be in group 3. Okay, so I believe it is the next 4 students. Okay, great. Okay, and then you will assign. Okay, and so once you have created all of the groups that you need to create, you will go back to your draft, and then you will assign it to the students who are supposed to be in the final group. Okay, assign. Great. Okay, so what it will look like here is that you have posted the assignment 3 times really fast, and you've assigned it to the students. So the students will know, will receive the post that is assigned to their group, and each of the students in the group will be able to work on that document that you want them to work to. So then that facilitates collaborative work online in a very fast and efficient way. Okay, so if you have any questions about this, you can always reach me on WhatsApp or email. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.